I'm Debbie Deere, and I'm the founder and executive director of Vanguard Landing. And what we are building out here with our wonderful contractors with Graf Construction is we're building the first intentional community in the Commonwealth of Virginia, specifically focused on the needs and desires of those of us with intellectual and developmental disabilities. Places to live, places to work, recreate, socialize, exercise, and have a great time.
Hey y'all, my name is Dennis Graf with Graf Construction, and we're out here. You can see the vertical construction going up. I'm doing them all in panelization, so they're going faster than normal construction. We've got one cottage here, they're getting ready to sheet the roof in, and you can all see that they got the panels sitting on this slab ready to go. So by the end of next week, this building will be complete, and the one with the panels will be in the same position. We have quite a few trades on site right now. We have our concrete contractor who's doing the footings, the block work, the raised slabs. We have Kempsville doing the framing. We have our plumbers doing the slab undergrades and completing the plumbing in our first cottage. We have electricians in our first cottage. We're getting ready to roof and shingle the first building, which will be followed by the siding and windows probably within a week. There's quite a few trades making it all happen out here.